Hello everyone, this is Dan Hussey with RJO Futures bringing you our Strategy of the Week update for gold. I have COMEX Gold up here, a 240-minute continuation chart. We're going to take a look at the 1185 resistance and how we kind of get to that level. We actually have to go back to the October 14th lows. This is a 1246.90. That low with a fib drawn to new lows in the market made on December 15th, 2016 at 1124, the 1124 area. We saw the market rally off those lows, begin the most constructive rally that we've seen in gold. In quite some time. A 60 handle move, about as good, about on par with that first leg of the first rally that occurred back in October, up into highs. Of course, there was a little volatility after that and this kind of spike price action, but nevertheless, a low to low extended short here has traded into resistance and even gotten a reaction down towards the technical first targets into the 1171 area. This is a this is one of those Fibonacci resistance zones that comes from the continuation of a trend, and we can ultimately look for this resistance to continue to hold until it breaks. Now, of course, breaking tells us something else, and upon breaking above the 1200 area, we may actually look to buy a dip or do something in a pullback, because then you have your first confirmation of a reversal. So above 1200 is when bulls can start to have a little bit more confirmation of a short-term reversal and very likely a larger three-wave cycle to begin higher. And then, of course, shorts and sellers here are going to want to defend the 1200 handle, and they're probably selling, or at least we've seen so far, a reaction off of the 1185 area and now making a double top structure here into early trading for this week. We'll see how this progresses. I would love to see gold actually come off a little bit here, as this is the resistance level we've been looking for the last couple of weeks. I want to see a pullback now. To test down into where potential longs might be, right? If we're going to consider where the buyers are, draw up a long or 50% low to high here, and a pullback into that 1155 area could be where there is short-term support. So again, above, if we do continue and go above 1200s, that's your first confirmation of a potential. The potential start of a reversal structure. So far, this seems to be a corrective rally in nature. So far, only bouncing, into what is otherwise, broken support area here, and kind of a cluster of prior smaller bounces, but an area of congestion, so to speak, that occurred back in November. We're heading up to kind of retest that area that was support every day or so on the way down as we stair-stepped lower, but now we need to see what's there, testing to the upside. So in the short term, definitely, the trend is still up until it fails for gold in the very short term, and I refer to just kind of the nature of the series of higher highs and higher lows we've seen. There's definitely clear trend lines, kind of support coming in here. We start to go below there. Look out for a move lower down towards 1155s. And again, if we do go above 1200, that could be the start of a larger squeeze higher, as there is this 1185, a very important inflection zone coming into play into this market right here, right now. So with that being said, have a great rest of your week, everybody. Watch out for gold here. If it does start to break down, it could be the start of at least a small pullback in the near term as we've we've made our way into resistance. And I'll be back with you as price action develops. Take care, everyone.